This is code.org. I'm working on CS Discoveries, Unit 3, Animation and Games, Lesson 11, which is on Conditionals, Part 7. Booleans. Think true-false. Boolean means true-false in computer talk. In the past few levels, we've been comparing values of sprites to find out whether something is true or false. Let's start putting that in the context of animation. Do this. The program draws a race car and a finish line. We're going to figure out when the race car crosses the finish line. The sprites have all been set up for you. Oh, that's handy. Add a console.log statement inside the draw loop. Show me where. Sure, show me where. Oh, wow, it really does. Okay, add a console.log loop inside the... Okay, add a Boolean expression inside the console.log. Alrighty, so we need a console.log. A Boolean expression that asks, is the X position of the race car less than the X position of the finish line? Alright, so we need to go over here to math, I think. Yep. And we're asking less. So, is the X position of the race car, so I want a less than sign. Yeah, I want a less than sign. And then, hasn't been declared yet. And then sprite OX. Right? And you want the corner for this to kind of work. Less than the X position of the finish line. Is finish line a sprite? Let's see here. Race car. Finish line is a sprite. Alright. So, let's go back down here and drop. And then we need the race car. C is capitalized. Make sure you have it just like that. Otherwise it doesn't work. And then finish line. Line is capitalized. Alright. Well, this might work. We'll find... Oh, wait. Look at the output of the program as the car moves. When does the output change and why? Alright. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's cool. Did you see that? So, when we changed this up, when we added our console log, we put race car X and finish line, because we're comparing, and saying, hey, log is race car less than finish line. Because remember, X goes this way, right? So 0X. So once race car is less than finish line, well, that means the race car is somewhere over here. Because this is 0X, and this is... So when the race car is here, it says, okay, X is 320, but finish line's at like 50. So it has to wait till the race cars pass, which is why now it says true. Whereas before, it was all false, because that was false. So that way the computer knows when you finish, and now if you wanted, we could do something like, when that happens, well, once we have if statements down, when that happens, flash, you win, or something like that. That's really neat. Great, let's keep going.